Hi, in this video we are going to learn XNPV function in Microsoft Excel. The XNPV function is quite similar to the NP function, which assumes cash flow at regular basis. However, the XNPV function assumes cash flow are not made at the regular basis. Cash flow are made at the beginning or at the end of the period. So we have calculated earlier, we have calculated NPV functions which assumes cash flow with regular basis. Let us see how the XNPV function is calculated. We assume let us have the interest rate is 7%, and we should have the period from the 0 year, when first year or the first period, up to the last period, which is the 6th. So the initial investment would be, let us assume $15,000, and this must be in minus sign. So the most significant difference is that XNPV functions considers or accept the different dates. So could be the period at the same times or at same year, or the gap between 2 years. So here we made the first initial investment in October 2015, and then we made the second the investment on returned on 2nd of the April 2017. So here let's see from 2019 and then 2021. So let's assume we have the 6,000, and then we have 2,000, and then we have $700 first year. Let's assume 1,000, and then let's assume we made 500, and let's assume lastly we have the 3,500. So the XNPV function is calculated as equal, then search for the XNPV function. The rate is the interest rate, and then comma the values and the NPV functions. We excluded the initial investment. Here we include all values from including the initial investment, comma, and then we include the dates or the periods. Close the parentheses or the bracket, hit enter. So if you see, this is negative investment, so this project must be stopped. Let's assume this amount is 8,000. Now is positive, so the company should proceed the investment, or the individual should proceed the investment. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and like the video.